Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, August 16, 2019, and this is Lady Liberty Stacker. I am back to show you how I'm going to break in my Lodge number 3, 3-notch Lodge vintage skillet. I just got done seasoning it, which you saw in a previous video. So I'm going to use my non-GMO canola oil cooking spray. It's real low calorie, and just going to go ahead and do that. And it's going to be a fried egg breakfast sandwich, and I've heated it up already enough where the handle is warm. So we're going to go ahead and put the egg in, and we're going to give it a little bit of time to set up. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my egg away. Back again here, and we're just going to let it set up. And we'll go ahead and flip it over. Probably be over hard versus over easy. I don't want all the egg yolk to come out, but you can see how it's going. Now this was with my new seasoning technique where the last stage is 440 degrees in the oven for about an hour. You can tweak it according to how hot your oven runs and that kind of thing, but the third stage, which I will cover in my next video when I season my new cast iron waffle iron that I picked up recently. But yeah, it's going ahead and setting up here, and let it go a little bit more. You can see there that it looks pretty non-stick. I'm going to make a breakfast sandwich, and this is the first time I've actually used this number 3 Lodge skillet. And you can, when it starts to bubble, you see little bubbles in the surface. That's when you know you can flip it, and it's not sticking at all. I'm going to go ahead and put on, and the longer your pan is on the burner, you can see how it's sliding around in the pan. And I got to be careful because I have the large burner on, but I find when I do this, even for a small skillet, it speeds it up. I'm going to go ahead and try to turn it. I don't really do a lot of fried eggs, but this is a perfect... Okay, it's just hard to get in under there. I'm going to cheat. See if I can do it. Yeah, it's not going to let me do it. There we go. Look at that. There's no black residue on the egg. Now with this seasoning technique, you don't have that flake off, which is very typical when you season a skillet. You know, when you first season a new skillet, look at that. Beautiful. And so now, you know, once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and fry up some ham and cheddar cheese and make a nice breakfast sandwich. Here it is going on noon, and I haven't eaten yet today. I get up early and I start working, and then I just forget to eat. Anyway, you just want to make sure it's done pretty well. And this is just beautiful non-stick. As long as you season, you can even season the new stuff, the new Lodge with the pebbly surface. And it can have a pebbly surface and still be non-stick. That's a misnomer, but I like the vintage stuff because it's lighter, easier for me to handle. And of course, these number 3s, don't even think they make them this small anymore. So I'm back again. I had to actually reformat my memory card. I'm thinking I might have to get another one. This should not have happened. But anyways, this is pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and show you putting it on my sandwich, sliding it right out of the pan. No black gunky stuff on my egg. And I actually had to take it off the burner while I reformatted the card, so burner might not be quite as hot. But we're going to go ahead and just make a sandwich. And if this thing cuts out, I thank you guys for watching. Please give me a thumb up if you like to see videos like this. Leave a comment or question below, and thanks for watching. And I'm just saying that in case this cuts out on me again, because the video is recoverable. You know, with my card, I can actually find it and put it on my computer. But it just stops me recording. And I don't know if it's because the camera gets too hot. I'm not sure. It's a 16 gig card. And who knows? So if it cuts out, I thank you for watching ahead of time, and you'll see why. I'm going to go ahead and turn these over. And this is the first time I've ever used this lodge. I'm really liking it. It's great. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a paper towel. Okay, we'll go back over, and I like to soak up the fat as it fries out of this. Pray that keeps going. I wanted to show you guys this because only one time. It's only going to be the first time, only once. Unless I redo the whole pan again, I don't want to do that. But this has been wonderful. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to worry about melting the cheddar cheese because, well, actually, what I'll do is I'll spread it out. Woo, hot. I don't know if it's going to work right. I should have done that to start with, but I didn't have a lot of time when I was messing around with this card while the burner was still hot. There we go. It's kind of warm there. Soak the fat out. Go ahead and put my thin cheddar cheese slices in there. And this will be a breakfast sandwich, actually a lunch sandwich, whatever. And basically the key with cast iron is enough fat and enough heat. Let it warm up, be patient. You can get your ingredients ready as your pan heats up. I find it not an inconvenient thing at all. It's just wonderful. And this will help season it further the more you use it. All right, guys, I am going to try to get this thing out. I'm going to turn the burner off. And we're going to go ahead and take it over here. There we go. Put it on the toast. It's already prepared. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And that's just perfect. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. Mmm, yummy. Excellent. So the key to seasoning cast iron is do it hot enough for long enough so it's nice and dry and doesn't flake off on your food. And it's ready to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. As I said for the third time, and go make it a great day.